Hello students, in this video I am going to solve the question number 4 of exercise 4.3 of determinant chapter NCERT 12th. Okay, so you can observe the question fourth first part. Find the equation of the line joining point 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinant. Okay, so in this question I am going to use one theorem of determinant. What is that theorem? I am going to discuss that theorem in short. Okay, what is that theorem? In determinant, like if we want to find the area of a triangle. Suppose a triangle ABC and coordinate are x, y, or I am writing x1, y1, x1, y1. This is x2, y2, and this is x3, y3. If there is a triangle and coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, then area of triangle ABC, I can write using determinant method. The area will be half of determinant. I will take the x coordinate first. Take x1, then x2, then x3. This is our column 1, and column 2 will be y1, y1, y2, y3, and column 3 will be 1. So this is using determinant. Okay, so I will use this property or this theorem. Okay, if area of triangle, a coordinate of triangle is given, then area of triangle will be this using determinant half into value of this determinant. Determinant will be x coordinate in first column, y coordinate in second column, and 1 1 1, that is third column. Okay, so I am going to use this theorem in this question, fourth one. What is the question now? Now I am coming to the question. Okay, question is find the equation of the line joining. Let's suppose this is point A 1 2, and there is another point B, that is 3, 6. So we have to find the equation of this line AB. Okay, so suppose there is a third point called P on this line, and the coordinate I am assuming x, y. Okay, I am assuming x, y. Then in this case A, P, B will be collinear, and if three lines are collinear, then can I say like this, area of triangle APB will be 0? Correct or no? I can say, right, because these are collinear, so there will be no area for this triangle APB, area, or I can say area of triangle APB will be 0. Okay, and correct, because APB are collinear. Okay, because APB are collinear, so I am going to use this theorem. Okay, now what will be our area for triangle APB using the determinant method which I told you in this slide? Okay, so I am going to find the area of APB. Area will be half of, what is our A point? A point is 1 2, correct, and this is xy, and this is 3 6. So x coordinate I am taking, then 1, x, and 3, correct. So our first column will be 1 1, x, and 3. Okay, 1, x, 3, and second column will be y coordinate, that is 2, y, 6, 2, y, 6, and 1 1 1. Okay, okay, and this area will be 0 because APB are collinear. APB are collinear, so area will be 0. Okay, now if you will do this 1 upon 2 opposite side, 0 upon 1 upon 2, that will be 0. Okay, so I am writing again. This will be 0. Now we have to calculate. Okay, now we have to calculate, so we will calculate. Expand through this R1, so this will be 1 into y minus 6 minus 2 minus 2, then x minus 3 and plus 1 into 6x minus 3y equal to 0. Okay, if we will solve further, then y minus 6, I am solving quickly because I am assuming you know how to calculate this. Minus 2x plus 6, then 6x minus 3y equal to 0. If you will calculate this, then 6x minus 2x 4x and minus 2y, and this plus minus will cancel, it will be 0. So basically 2x minus y equal to 0. 2 you will take common, then equation will be 2x y equal to 2x, and this is the required equation of AB. Okay, so that's it. This is the required equation what we have to find in question 4. Okay, the first part is finished. I will give solution of second part in next video.